Welcome to a huge package from a great lockpicking friend of mine. So this massive package was sent to me by Tallan Pick. Wow! So if these are locks or lock related stuff inside, this will last until my retirement. So it's so big that I cannot hold the camera and open it up myself, so my wife is there to help me. So this is one of my hands and these are two hands from my wife. So please open it up and so that we can have a look inside. So we are really curious what's inside here. So Tallan Pick told me that he would send me a few locks, and this is definitely more than just a few locks. And it's well packed. Oh, it's a lot of bubble foil inside. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, it's a vise. Wow! Are you crazy, Tallan Pick?
Whoa.
This is nice. Okay? So maybe you can do everything out of the box so that we can have a look at the items one by one. Quicker, everything out of the box, please. And then we'll have a look at it one by one. Very nice. So I think everyone should have an assistant. It's really comfortable. So you can comment on your video, you can hold the camera, and the assistant will assist. Okay, is everything out of the box? No, there's something missing. It's the description of the device, so that we can see how this works. Alright, wow. So Tallan Pick, this is really great, wonderful. So thank you very much for the device and for all the other locks. I believe my wife is not so interested in having a detailed look to the locks, so I say thank you.
Bye-bye.
And bye-bye. And yeah, I will mount the camera so that we can get a steady view, and I will be back in a second. So back with the usual camera setup. You can see the vise in the back. Hello. And now we'll have a look at the locks one by one. Okay, I start with this one. It's a wing house with a very nice keyway. Really cool. I like these brass Euro cylinders. They're not so common here. With a really nasty bitting. What does it say on the label? Nothing, so that probably means it's a stock lock. Very, very nice lock. Thank you. So what comes next? Comes in a little bag. It's a padlock. An Alex. Wow, that's a wide open keyway. But it has this nasty piece here in the middle. Cool lock here. Let's check the bitting. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4 pin lock, but really good bitting on that. Very nice. Okay, what's next? The MCM. Oh, it's a dimple MCM. Wow, cool. Very nice. Thank you. Without a key, but who needs keys? Ha. And much more to come here. What's that? Abus Pfaffenhain. The very, very nasty keyway. These are blanks, so they should fit, I think. Or maybe not. Profile just looks like as it would fit, but maybe because of the pins, I don't know. But I think they will fit. Let's check the pins if they bind, if they can be moved. Yes, they move. Wow. Now it works. But of course the plug doesn't turn because it's a blank. So I can pick it and make a challenge lock out of this. Very, very cool. Oh, this has all the dimples set, so I think this is for key control and this one not. Very nice. Okay, so what's next? It's a Sergeant. Wow. Sergeant are really nice locks. And oh, that's a Texas Chim Sergeant with a nasty bitting and a home modified key to fit in that keyway. Wow, that works smooth. Great. With scrub screws on the top. That will be fun. Oops, come out. Very, very nice. Okay, a lot more to come here. Another MCM. Wow, these fittings are really, really nice. 5-pinner. Cool little lock here. Great. So, and we have, what do we have next? We have another MCM. That's a bad keyway. This piece here in the middle. Wow. Let's check the bitting. 2 long key pins in the front, short key pin, and 2 longer ones. So also not really bad, that bitting. So this will be fun. And what's next? Little MCM. It's a fun lock. Cool. Without a key, but who cares if we have picks? Great. As I said, I really love the brass ones. And that's actually the lock I sent to him for getting a key, because that's the MCN I took along with me from vacation when I was in Spain, and I picked it, and he told me I could send it to him so he would take care for getting a blank or a key that fits. So we have now 2 blanks, so I can file them to fit to the bidding of this lock. Really, really nice. So thank you so much, Tallan Pick, but it's still not the end yet. We have an American lock. This looks like something has been filed away. Usual keyway. But it has a label. What does it say? Pinned by Trackmaster 30. So that's not a stock lock. It's a challenge lock. And here is the bidding. Long, short, long, short, long. Wow. Great bidding here. Thank you. And now comes the last. Yeah, it's a disc detainer lock from from Tallan. Yeah. And he knows that I'm struggling with disc detainer locks, and it's so nice that he sent me one of these locks that probably open fairly easy, and he also sent me the right tools for the job. Tensioner and a pick. So you have to. So sometimes these locks are not tensioned from the first, or is it the last? I don't know. From the disc that is next to you. Sometimes these are not tensioned with that on that place, and then you have to. Yeah, it's more difficult to tension it in the back. So I believe this one can be tensioned from the disc you see now. So you have to tension it, and then you have to turn. Yeah, I will do that later off camera. Yeah, so wow, that's an amazing haul of locks. Tallan Pick, thank you so much for all these goodies. Fantastic. Really, really nice of you, very generous. And of course, thank you so much for the vise. Alright, yeah. Thanks again, Tallan Pick, for the great stuff, and everybody else. Thank you very much for watching. Happy picking, and bye bye.